Watch me bring this year-old surfboard completely back to life. First, we have to get rid of all this nasty old wax by scraping it all to one side and peeling it right off, which is so oddly satisfying to watch. Next, we grab a household secret, pure coconut oil, and spread it all over the board to give it a deep, natural clean and lift off that stubborn grime. For the final step, we use a quick spray of white vinegar and give it a good wipe down to kill any lingering bacteria. This simple process leaves the board looking brand new and fresh out of the shop. So if you want to see more satisfying restorations just like this, make sure to hit that follow button.